Welcome to Agriculture Discover. Have you ever bitten into a green apple and felt that sharp, refreshing crunch instantly wake up your senses? Every year, millions of tons of green apples are harvested in the United States alone, supplying kitchens, factories, and markets around the world. But behind that crisp texture and signature sour taste lies a long journey, one that begins deep inside carefully managed orchards and ends on supermarket shelves thousands of miles away. Today we'll take you inside that journey and uncover how American farmers use modern technology, precision farming, and skilled labor to grow and harvest green apples at massive scale. Green apples thrive in temperate regions with cold winters and warm summers conditions found across many parts of the United States. Before a single tree is planted, farmers invest months preparing the land. The soil is deeply plowed to improve aeration and drainage, then enriched with organic matter and essential minerals. Maintaining a pH between 5.5 and 6.5 is critical, allowing apple roots to absorb nutrients efficiently and grow strong from the start. Once the soil is ready, orchard rows are carefully mapped out to optimize sunlight exposure, airflow, and machine access, key factors for long-term productivity. Apple trees are typically planted in early spring when temperatures begin to rise but moisture levels remain stable. Today, many farms rely on GPS-guided planting machines that ensure precise spacing and uniform planting depth across vast orchards. This accuracy allows every tree to grow evenly, reduces competition for nutrients, and maximizes land use. After planting, young trees are supported with sturdy stakes to protect them from strong winds and encourage straight, healthy trunk growth during their early years. Although apple trees begin producing fruit after 3 to 5 years, it can take up to 7 years to reach full commercial yield, making early care a crucial long-term investment. As the orchard matures, consistent nutrition and water management become essential. Farmers apply organic fertilizers in early spring and late fall to maintain soil health and support root development throughout the growing cycle. Drip irrigation systems deliver water directly to the root zone, minimizing waste while ensuring steady moisture. During dry periods, each tree may require 10 to 15 gallons of water per week, depending on weather and soil conditions. Regular inspections help farmers detect early signs of nutrient deficiency, pests, or disease, allowing quick intervention before problems spread. Protecting apple trees from insects and fungal diseases is a constant challenge. Instead of relying solely on chemicals, many U.S. orchards now use integrated pest management strategies. This includes biological controls, environmentally friendly pesticides, and continuous monitoring. These methods reduce environmental impact while keeping trees healthy and fruit safe for consumption. In spring, green apple trees burst into bloom as temperatures stabilize between 60 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. This short flowering window, often lasting just 7 to 10 days, is critical to the entire harvest. Bees play a vital role in pollination, so farmers often introduce beehives into orchards to increase fruit set rates. Once pollinated blossoms transform into tiny apples that slowly grow and mature over the summer months. Green apples are typically harvested from September through November, when they reach optimal size, firmness, and acidity. Timing is everything. Harvesting too early affects flavor, while harvesting too late reduces storage life. Farmers carefully monitor color, sugar levels, and firmness to determine the perfect moment to begin harvest. Harvesting green apples is a critical moment that directly determines fruit quality, shelf life, and market value. In many orchards, hand harvesting remains the preferred method, especially for premium apples. Skilled workers carefully twist each apple by hand, detaching it from the stem without bruising the skin or damaging nearby fruit. This method preserves the apple's natural wax layer, which is essential for long-term storage and fresh market sales. Although labor-intensive hand-picking allows selective harvesting, ensuring only apples at peak ripeness are collected. However, as orchard sizes continue to grow and labor costs rise, mechanized harvesting systems are playing an increasingly important role. These machines use platforms, vibration-assisted collectors, or conveyor-based systems to gather apples more quickly across large areas. A single machine can harvest several tons per hour, dramatically reducing the time required to clear an orchard during the narrow harvest window. In practice, most U.S. apple farms use a hybrid approach: hand harvesting for premium fresh apples and mechanized systems for fruit destined for processing, balancing quality with efficiency at scale. Once harvested, green apples are quickly transported to centralized packing houses. Speed is critical as temperature and handling directly affect freshness and shelf life. After harvest, green apples move quickly to modern packing facilities where cleanliness and precision are critical. The process begins with gentle water flumes and rotary washers that remove dust-filled residue and surface contaminants without damaging the apple skin. This water-based transport also cushions the fruit, reducing bruising during movement. Next comes advanced sorting and inspection. Apples pass through optical scanners equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors that analyze size, color, shape, and surface defects in real time. Internal bruising or imperfections, invisible to the human eye, can also be detected using infrared technology. Apples that meet strict quality standards are automatically graded and directed into separate lanes for fresh markets or processing. At the same time, trained inspectors monitor the lines to ensure consistency and food safety. This combination of automation and human oversight guarantees that only the best green apples continue toward packaging and cold storage. After sorting, apples are stored in controlled atmosphere rooms with low oxygen levels, temperatures between 0.5 and 3 degrees Celsius, and humidity around 90 to 95%. This environment dramatically slows aging, keeping apples fresh for months. Automated packing systems then weigh, label, and package apples into cartons or eco-friendly containers. From here, shipments move to supermarkets, food processors, and homes across the globe. Behind every green apple orchard is a team of skilled workers whose experience shapes each harvest. From pruning in early spring to careful hand-picking in autumn, their knowledge helps protect fruit quality and tree health. Seasonal laborers play a crucial role harvesting apples by hand to avoid bruising and damage. Many return year after year, bringing speed, precision, and familiarity with the orchards. Supporting them are agronomists and machine operators who manage irrigation, soil health, and equipment, working together to deliver millions of crisp green apples to markets worldwide. From carefully prepared soil to advanced sorting technology, the journey of green apples reflects the dedication and innovation of modern American agriculture. Next time you enjoy a crisp green apple, whether fresh baked or sliced into a salad, you'll know just how much precision and effort went into bringing it to your table. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth farming documentaries. See you in the next video.